I am aware of my awareness. I am the infinite consciousness. Namaste everyone, I am Chandresh Bhardwaj and today I'll be sharing what's the best chakra in meditation to start with. So if you have just started the meditation, don't worry about the chakras because chakras are uh, defined differently in each tradition. In Tantra traditions, we talk about 114 chakras and sometimes even more than 1000 chakras. What we mostly hear is just the seven chakras. And those who are unaware, chakra is basically an energy center. I define it as a energy map. It just becomes very easy to handle certain emotional fluctuations, energy fluctuations when we navigate them through the lens of a chakra. And nowadays, chakra has become one of the most used word in healing, in meditation. And my first suggestion is don't go there if you have just started to meditate. And as you start to go there, uh, do it under absolutely careful expert guidance. Do not go into chakras without a teacher, an expert who can really hold your hand and define and navigate. Okay. And if you have been meditating for, let's say, at least 6 months, 1 year, and you feel very solid, very present with your breathing, with the present moment awareness, then the best and safe chakra to work with is the heart chakra. Heart chakra is the chakra of your feelings, emotions, connections, how you receive healing, how you give healing, how you cultivate boundaries, how to cultivate, self-compassion and compassion for others. The chakras below the heart, they are very much rooted to your physical existence, and they're also connected to trauma, sexual energy, creative strength, very sensitive centers below the heart. Above the heart chakra is all non-physical dimensions, the throat, the third eye, the crown chakra, and heart is nice midpoint. And heart chakra is also very safe to navigate because the energy of heart, it comes with compassion. So when you start to acknowledge it, when you start to connect with it, it will support you. Now, how to work with the heart chakra? Each time you meditate, bring the awareness on the heart. And when I say awareness, it's simply your attention on the heart. Inhale the breath, maybe hold it for a moment, exhale it. Repeat the inhaling, holding, and exhaling for a good few minutes. And after that, effortlessly breathe and stay connected on the heart. And as you connect with heart, give it the energy of compassion, affection, love, acceptance. Do not put this pressure on heart that it needs to fix itself, that you want to change or repair something on the heart. The important key in the heart chakra meditation is absolute acceptance. Acceptance of who you are, how you are unfolding, evolving your existence on a day-to-day basis. And as you start to go deeper in this acceptance, mindful breathing, should happen. And the mantra Soham Namaha will be really helpful. Soham is simply a mantra that, tells you, I am aware of my awareness. I am the infinite consciousness. So as you connect with heart and repeat this mantra consciously, the heart will start to expand. And keep in mind, as the heart chakra starts to become aligned with your energy, you will need to make certain tough, changes. It could be a tough decision in a relationship, could be tough decision in your job. It could be anything that has been affecting your heart center, but you were avoiding it. Chakra healing means accepting what is happening and not escaping what is happening. So keep that in mind. And if this resonates with you, join the Leela Gurukul podcast and the Leela Gurukul school to expand and evolve your teachings with all the chakras and all that you are unfolding in life. And as always, do share, subscribe the video and the channel.